FoodLink was a very special organization. It's been around for 46 years, and they're really trying to end hunger, but also expand into other avenues of community outreach and involvement.
There's a huge element of education and bringing fresh produce and teaching people how to cook with that produce. So they've got everything from community gardens to mobile marketplaces.
We were having fun going through the boxes and sorting them and putting them onto pallets. The tour before getting involved with the community service work was really special. They really take pride in showing their volunteers what they're about and what they're a part of in the community.
Having the opportunity to come here and give back, specifically with FoodLink, is really an honor. The work they're doing is tremendous.
Being a volunteer, being there with other Rochester-based companies was really special.